Welcome back to Edu Skills OET Made Easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work, and please share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. That is the mission of Edu Skills. And as of now, today we are going to deal with listening C and a beautiful segment. Just listen to what the context says. So listen.
Extract 2, questions 37 to 42. You hear a rheumatologist called Michael Evans talking about osteoarthritis. You now have 90 seconds to read questions 37 to 42.
So you have 90 seconds just to read these 6 questions. So it's a good deal of time where you can read and find out. Your business is to find out the hedging words or the keywords in the question as well as in the answer options. So the method is Q.A.T, question, answer options, then text. That's a method for multiple choice questions with 3 options. Now here, what is important is about osteoarthritis. So the context is about osteoarthritis, then you should be able to foresee what they can speak about osteoarthritis. Possibly what will be the details. Just maybe it's all fraction of seconds that you think the foreseeing happens. And some people have the concern, will we be able to go through all these strategies and steps during the exam? No, you aren't going to do that. You are just going to practice until you reach competency. After that, as I told you, sometimes I'll tell you, once you reach the competency in the advanced sessions, I'll show you maybe half of the questions can be answered even without reading the text or listening to the audio. Or you choose the answer, then listening to the audio is only a confirmation of your selection. Because question 37 to 30, rheumatologist. That's important. Talking about osteoarthritis. These are important aspects. Now, the next part is this.
Hello, I'm Michael Evans. I want to tell you about the work we're doing on a condition that affects 1 in 10 people in this country, and that's osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis typically affects the knees, hips or hands when the cartilage that lines the joints starts to wear away.
A little more information is given here about osteoarthritis. Typically affects the knees, hips or hands, then the cartilage that lines the joints starts to wear away. So a bit more information is given there. They are going to speak about knees, hips or hands. This context will help you to identify the
Hello,
answer.
I'm Michael.
What does Michael say about recent developments in osteoarthritis treatment? A. New drugs may be able to restore joint tissues. B. Stem cell injections have only a short-term effect on the joint. C. Lifestyle changes have reduced the need for joint replacements.
Again, it's the whole project is about this opinion and suggestions. And earlier it was about diagnosis. Now it is about treatment. Yeah, see, treatment. That's what I said, sequence. So about recent developments in osteoarthritis treatment. Under that, the adjective is that recent developments in the treatment. Now, recent means
new.
Recent, is
New.
there any synonym?
New.
Oh, you have new here. So let's see. New drugs may be able to restore joint tissues. Say and may as a link, right? Opinion.
Yes, Father.
Say and may, again, you have a connection saying this is the answer. And treatment and lifestyle, are they same?
No, Father.
No, Father.
Yeah.
No.
Repeatedly they use this to confuse you, okay? Lifestyle changes is not treatment. So that has nothing to do with this particular topic or the audio.
B is absolute is there, Father.
That is absolute only.
Only.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Correct.
So which is the answer ultimately?
A.
Option A.
Yeah, if you can just have patience and practice this strategy, you can come out of the exam within 30 minutes. Why should you have audio at all? You don't require, but just confirm. Let's confirm with the audio. Okay.
The next thing the patient wants to know is there a cure? Well,
Cure. See, cure. That is the topic sentence. Keyword is cure. Cure means treatment.
Treatment.
Okay. Yes. Listen. Again, beautiful topic sentences.
the next thing the patient wants to know is Is there a cure? Well, not yet. But recently there have been exciting developments in osteoarthritis treatment. People ask about stem cells, but at present they're unlikely to be any more helpful than a salt water injection into the knee because stem cell technology hasn't got far enough yet. But we're currently in the process of testing what we call disease-modifying osteoarthritis drugs that appear to be effective at regenerating joint tissues and reducing pain. And these will be injections a person gets into a joint maybe once every 12 months. But our main hope is that instead of turning to hip or knee replacements, patients can learn to control their condition through things like weight management and appropriate exercise.
Did you get confirmation?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father, after that.
Yeah, clearly it is given there. Maybe fast we'll go into the triple task. This you should every time you have to do this multitasking. Okay, whether you want it or not, keep listen, then look at the what you call the script, read the script and keep writing. All these things you have to do. Otherwise, what happens? Your competency will not develop in the proper direction. And I tell you, the volunteers and our admins in their leadership, they are struggling a lot and spending a lot of time to create these scripts. You know, most of the audios have no scripts. So they are creating scripts for the audios and providing it. So use it. Okay, now listen, read and write.
The next thing the patient wants to know is there a cure? Well, not yet. But recently there have been exciting developments in osteoarthritis treatment. People ask about stem cells, but at present they're unlikely to be any more helpful than a salt water injection into the knee because stem cell technology hasn't got far enough yet. But we're currently in the process of testing what we call disease-modifying osteoarthritis drugs that appear to be effective at regenerating joint tissues and reducing pain. And these will be injections a person gets into a joint maybe once every 12 months. But our main hope is that instead of turning to hip or knee replacements, patients can learn to control their condition through things like weight management and appropriate exercise.
Okay, now you know main hope I have highlighted because the speculative language, prediction, we hope may happen. It is only prediction. So here, but we are currently in the process of testing what we call disease-modified osteoarthritis drugs that appear to be effective at regenerating joint tissues. Regenerating joint tissues. You have a synonymous expression here. Restore joint tissues. See, your prediction was correct, right?
Yes, Father.
Yes, so beautiful. And how do you say this is so challenging? But you need patience. See how beautifully the structure you have to write out these structures, how they speak about treatment, cure, treatment, and what are the treatment, what are their impacts, all those things. So that is the end of it.
Thank you, Father.
Okay, that is it, I believe. As of now, we'll have to stop. Any important concerns you want to raise? One or two maximum, because I have to go for my prayers.
Thank you, Father. It's a very wonderful session. I would like to know whether the recording will be available where on Edu Skills 6 or?
Now recording will be available once I edit it because privacy issues, all those things have to be solved and all the distractions. It will be available in, all over, like in the main platform itself. Like OET, you can just type Edu Skills OET. You can find all the recordings over there. And also admins are posting in the main platform all the links every day. The chief admin is posting. From today onwards, Mary has taken it up. She'll be posting it till yesterday, and Isha was doing it. So they will be posting almost all the previous Zoom session links. They may not have the thumbnails, but only the links will be posted in order. Listening, reading, listening, writing, speaking. In the same order, all the previous Zoom sessions will be posted every day in the platform, main platform, Telegram group.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So that is it. We'll meet again. Okay, keep rocking. And if you are beginners, don't take this as the session, taste maker for you, because so many things were presumed, whatever we dealt in the previous sessions. what is modal verbs, what is scale, what is, we did not explain those things today session. You have so many videos uploaded on those aspects. So thank you, everyone. God bless you all. I have my, it's almost
you,
my prayer
sir.
time.
Thank you, Father.
God
Thank you
bless you.
very
And
much.
God
Father.
bless you.